Hello, SEO professionals, and welcome back again to this Backlinks SEO strategy course. So, today I am going to teach you my third SEO backlinking strategy. Like I promised in my previous tutorials, that in this course I am going to teach you my top 10 SEO backlinking strategies that we use at our SEO agency every day to generate thousands of high quality backlinks to our clients' websites and our own personal blogs and websites. So if you're watching me for the first time and you have not yet watched those tutorials, please go back and start from the scratch from this playlist in order to understand my two previous top backlinking strategies, right? So today we are going to discuss my third SEO backlinking strategy, which is going to be, using resource pages in order to generate high quality backlinks to your website. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial of this backlinks SEO strategy course. Also, I really want you to support my channel just by liking this tutorial and sharing this tutorial with your friends, peers, or whoever you think may need this kind of content. So let's get started without further ado. All right, guys. So before we actually start how to generate backlinks from resource pages, let me introduce you to the useful links. Useful links, helpful content, and resource pages are the same in nature, right? So, but the main thing you should know is to have an understanding of useful links first. This way, then you will be able to create backlinks to your website, right? Okay, so what are useful links? You know, Useful links serve as helpful resources for users on a website. For example, most website, gather links of different websites within a given niche and put together all those links on a single web page on their website, which is called a resource page, right? So, which means they simply gather links from different helpful websites within a given niche. For example, you may say solar panel installation niche, content marketing, SEO, health related blogs, and you know, uh, fitness related blogs links, right? So what these business owners do is to just collect all those useful links from those websites and put together a list of the useful links on a web page on their website, which serve as a resource page. Now the next question is that why do business on website owners do this kind of job? It's because they think their website visitors might benefit from a resource page on this web. It also, increases chances of your website and increases the organic traffic to your website too. Okay, so the next question you may have, what should we do in order to generate the resource pages backlinks, right? So basically there are three steps and which are very, very, easy. The first one is finding the resource pages. Second one, finding the best fit within your niche or that is relevant to your website. And the third step is simply reaching out to the website owner and to request them to list your link as a resource on their resource page, right? So now let's get into my screen and to see how you can actually find out the resource pages and how you can, find a best fit to your website and how you can reach out to the website owner. And the good news is that at the end of this tutorial, I'm also going to give you a proven and tested email template which you can replicate and use within your email outreach campaigns. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Now, The question is that how do I find, resource pages? Basically, if you are an SEO professional, you need to make friends with Google search operators. They are very helpful and, time saving, and provides you, amazing list of the data and the websites you are actually looking for, right? So for example, in our case, we are going to use these four search operators. Now, you may know more than these four search operators. There is no hard and fast rule uh, that you should use these four search operators, but you simply need to use those operators that work best for you. Okay, so I simply use all these four kind of the search operator while finding out the resource pages, right? So like I said, there is no hard and fast rule. You can use any of the Google search operators that is, helpful for you. So let's get started with the first one. Okay, let me just copy the search operator and go to the search bar. Okay, so now I am going to replace the niche with my own niche. So let's say my niche is solar panel. Let me just, so I want to find out the resource pages within the solar panel niche, right? All right, Google has returned with the backlist of useful resources which you can use in order to get your own website URL on those resource pages. So the first one we have got is solarpanelstore.com, helpful solar links. Let's open this in a separate window. So let's see what we have found further. Links, electrical launches, new solar. This also looks like a resource page. Solar panel info. So we have not yet found much, but let me just pick the second one, copy and paste. Then simply replace your niche with your own niche. Looks like this keyword is not picking properly. Let me just change niche with something else like SEO, right? So let's wait for it a little bit so that it can load properly. Okay, so let's search with this keyword to see if we find out any helpful resources. So let me pick the previous search operator as well. Basically, you have to test which search operator provides you the best results, right? Like I said, you are not bound to use this exact for search operators. Instead, you can use any Google search operator that is helpful for you. Now let me replace the word niche with SEO and search. Okay, so I have changed the niche with a new word which is flooring, right? So now let's see what we can find out in the search results, right? So this also seems to be a resource page. Then we see the floorreports.com, useful floor links by floor report. So let's open this one as well. Okay, so now let me close this one and let's open other tabs that has been already loaded. Now the question here is that I just wanted to show you how you can find out resource pages by using Google search operators. So now I hope you have already got the point. So as you can see, this is a resource page on solar panel store, right? So as you can see, they have basically listed, links from different websites. So helpful solar links. Now, what you need to do if you think this is a good fit for your website. I mean, if this website has a good domain authority, has a good page authority, if this website gets good organic traffic and ranks on big number of organic keywords, right? And it is relevant to your niche, then you definitely need to reach out to the owner of this website. And what you need to send, I will show you in a moment. That is an email template which you can use for yourself. Okay, so now let's open this one. Let's see if it's no, I think this is not a resource page. Let me just open this one. Floor reports, floor covering industry news, hardwood, carpet, ceramic title, specters. So again, they have listed some links on the resource page. So if you think this is a good fit for your website, then you need to reach out to the owner of this website. Now, you simply need to find out their email address. Now, I personally use hunter.io. For now, it does not have any access to this website, but you can use actually using the hunter.io, you can generate, the data for up to 25 searches per month. Okay, so which means you can use it for 25 searches each month. So if you have the budget, then you can simply buy this tool, which is not too costly. So they have found one email, which is info@solarpanelstore.com. You simply need to copy and send your email to this email address. Now the next question is what do you need to send? Okay, so this is also looks like a no, this is a product page, and let me just close this one. So basically, you have to test different Google search operators, and you have to find out all the resource pages that are relevant to your niche, relevant to your website, and which are easy to get a mention of your website on. Okay, so now we have got the email address of this website. The next step is uh, to send them your email. Okay, now for that I simply use this email template, okay, which is tested and proven, which will provide you great value if you use the same, email template. So the first we have got the subject, which is quick question about your site. Then we have got the body. So starting with hi, Akram. So after hi, you need to put there the website owner's name. So I was looking for information about topic. What is my topic? My topic is solar panel, right? In this case. So I need to put solar panel within the brackets today and came across your excellent resource page. Then you simply copy the link of this resource page and put it within this bracket, okay? So there you go. Without it, I would not have discovered this resource or any other resource they link to. In this case, you need to mention the resource which you have found on the resource page. So for example, I can copy the link of this resource, this one, or whichever you can use any of the resource on the resource page, and you need to make sure to copy the link and use the link within the bracket here. It's amazing. I have recently published new guide on the topic. Again, it should be something uh, like solar panel, solar panel installation or things like that. You know better than me about your topic. last week, then you should provide a brief description of your guide, and then you should provide the link of that guide. So for example, here is the link in case you love to have a look at. Provide the link, okay? Now, this is the call to action. This should be very important, and you must not forget about putting the call to action within your email body. So, also, my guide may be a superb addition to your awesome resource page. Now, you may have a question that why I have written these words in bold. Because the words in bold here in this email represents the appreciation. In other words, you're simply appreciating the work of this website owner. Okay, so what it does is, and it helps build the relationship with the owner of this website, and it helps you increase the trust between you and this website owner, and there is a big chance he will uh, you know respond to your emails, and maybe he will allow you to put your link on their resource page. Then there is the ending, which is very important. Either way, thank you for compiling such an amazing list of resources, and have a nice day. Then it's your signature, Shafula, and then your designation at your website, your business. So that's it. You simply need to use this exact email template, but I would recommend you not using this exactly word by word. Simply, you just can get an idea from this template. You can use the same email body in your own words, because my video is being watched by thousands of people. So if lots of people using the same email template, it will give you nothing instead of waste of time. So make sure you just edit and use this email template as an ideation, and write the email within your own wording. This way you will be able to get awesome responses on your emails. Okay, so once you have written everything, then you simply need to send this template to the owner of this website. So if they respond quickly to your email, then you start conversation with them. And if they do not respond within 4 or 3 days, then you need to make sure to you're following up your email outreach in order to get your links listed on these resource pages. Okay, so I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial, and I hope you have learned something useful today in this Backlinks SEO strategy course. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on important tutorials, because like I said, I will teach you my top 10 SEO backlinking strategies that are very useful, proven, tested, which we use at our SEO agency every day to generate thousands of backlinks, right? Again, if you like this tutorial, I will be able to know that you have really enjoyed this tutorial, right? So make sure you like this tutorial and share with your friends and whoever you think might be interested with the content like this. So thanks for watching, and thanks for your time. I will see you in the next